11/26, we had a Thanksgiving weekend, and I can tell you right now it's one of the worst Thanksgiving weekend sell-offs in Dow Jones in the calendar month of Thanksgiving, November. Okay? You can see that we come clear down here. 2011 lows consolidations with upside rallies. This was that volatility that we covered every single day of the week. Every single trade, buying calls up and out of the money, buying puts, knowing when they're holding bottoms and doing everything but buying puts up here. We're at a major critical level of the whole calendar yearly low in this whole process. 2011. It started making bottoms here on 8/9. That's August 9th. And it finally made its full low on 10/4 with another big upside rally. And currently, with the worldwide market disaster, super committee, and everything else involved, bond yields going higher, everything going the wrong way, and people liquidating, being forced to liquidate, and margin calls, and people having to sell winning assets. This is the full picture on the Dow, and look at the amount of days down. It has clearly gone from its bull rally run with daily moving averages crossing above and the charts looking really good. But we got up here and we started breaking these key lower levels that we talked about day in and day out and had to be on that put side. And you're at a major support level of 11,231. That's just a major 52-week calendar week low that was testing in here, rallies up, then makes the 10/4 low. Oh, right here. And now that trend line right here is crucial. Because I'll tell you why. You can sell down to this next trend line, and this is a little V-shaped bottom breakout to the all-time high. This area here is going to be the most important part, because you want to maintain the elevation and or cumulative calendar year bottom. You want to make sure that those bottoms are protected when buyers come back in at oversold conditions. But worldwide economic events, and we cover so many different things that you can learn from, whether it's austerity around the world in the banking system and how financial crises and how what are the consequences to those financial instruments that are at stake, and what the risk was, what caused everything. Why does it have to go this way when this is the strongest period of the year for equity markets? And the thing about it is, lower growth environments and everything that plays out is that the calendar year is coming to an end in 2011. It is. Happy Thanksgiving weekend to everyone. And the prior Happy Thanksgiving was very bad for the bulls. It was a massive sell-off to this support level. And when you break below this level down here, let's just call it, for the sake of it, you can call this level 11,000 on the Dow. So if we break those support levels and we have a lot of selling, it only takes another 231 points to get down. Remember that the Dow has been down several trading days in a row. It was only down 25.77 handles. Once again, I conclude the Dow Jones. I conclude the Dow Jones daily chart. I conclude the Dow Jones daily signal. I can conclude that the Dow Jones in the short term is starting to get to levels that we like to see when things start to hit major oversold short term, 7 trading days oversold. The more that we come down and test the lower support levels, the more oversold we're going to be, and look for that upside rally to come into play at any time. Okay? It's all going to be dependent on worldwide events and who gets control of the market, the buyers and the sellers. But we got a daily sell signal. There's that daily buy signal on the Dow. On this MACD, that's what that means. We'll teach you all of that, but the MMTs, you have a secondary expanding daily sell signal at the support level for public standard deviation, standard public technical analysis, standard deviation models. this is protecting this part of the rally, is that you want to see the part of the rally like this part right here. You want to see that you hold support way up here, because the lower that you go, the weaker you are as far as the broader rally goes. If I come all the way down here, yeah, I get support, but the upside is going to be weaker down at these lower support levels than if we can hold this support level and run back up, and all the daily movement averages are going down. Once again, one of the biggest weekly November reversals year to date. Dow Jones Industrial Average daily chart, how to trade it, key support and resistance levels.